Hello viewers, welcome back in my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope viewers will be fine. You will see the stylish or most beautiful, latest, unique, new, modern bob haircut designs items on my channel. Please guys subscribe my channel and press the bell and press the bell. You will get notifications of all my videos. You will see the stylish or most beautiful, latest, unique, new, modern bob haircut designs items in 2020. Latest and unique, new, all best videos and how much beautiful, unique, new bob haircut designs with layered haircut designs items on my channel. Guys, you will see the stylish and latest, unique, new, all most beautiful, attractive, and unique, new, best layered haircut designs, modern, attractive, unique, new bob haircut designs items on my channel. So guys, for watching my all videos and you will never miss any video, any collections are most beautiful, latest, unique, new, and amazing, all best layered haircut designs, creative and attractive, unique, new, best modern, attractive, stylish bob haircut designs items on my channel. 2020 unique, new, all how much beautiful and stylish best layered haircut designs in 2020 unique, new, modern bob haircut designs items on my channel. Fabulous and attractive, unique, new, outstanding, stylish, best features, unique, new, best modern, attractive, outstanding, unique, new, layered haircut designs items on my channel. Front designs with back designs and outstanding, unique, new, best creations, unique, new, best modern, attractive, unique, new, layered haircut designs items. So guys, for watching my all videos and you will never miss any video, any collections and how much beautiful, unique, new, modern and attractive, unique, new, all best collections in 2020, all best videos. Creative and attractive, unique, new, layered haircut designs for 11 by 1 layered haircut designs items in 2020, unique, new, marvelous and attractive, best collections, unique, new, best beautiful and attractive, stylish, long with short bob haircut designs, beautiful short pixie haircuts for beginners ideas. Creative underrated haircut designs and inspirations, and you will see the stylish, most beautiful, unique, new, modern, attractive, best patterns and how much beautiful, unique, new, all 2020 models and unique, new, best bob haircut designs, layered haircut designs items on my channel. So till the next video guys, and thank you so much guys for watching my all videos, and you will never miss any video, any collections, and you will see the stylish and unique, new, creative and attractive best collections, unique, new, best layered haircut designs items, and you will see the stylish, most beautiful, how much beautiful, unique, new, eye-catching colors and stylish best collections, unique, new, best bob haircut designs. So guys, see you